Hi, I'm John Sanders, CEO and founder of HydroKleen. People know us for our air conditioner cleaning services across the world. What most people don't know, we are also an original equipment manufacturer that exports all the way around the globe, right from here in Australia. Our equipment has been developed over 10 years of research and development to specifically clean ductless air conditioners. We didn't just settle for buying a weed sprayer from a hardware store. We tested, bent, busted, destroyed hundreds of pumps, handpieces, batteries, cleaning agents, and we even destroyed the air conditioners themselves to come up with a complete air conditioner cleaning system. And I'll guarantee it to be more reliable than any other air conditioner cleaning product on the market or anywhere in the world. All our HydroKleen equipment is manufactured in our factory here in Australia to be the best in the global market. And only a HydroKleen partner can use our HydroKleen systems. Just another reason why HydroKleen are the wet wash professionals.